Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain whether people can see your liked videos on TikTok. By default, your liked videos are public, meaning anyone visiting your profile can view them. However, TikTok provides a straightforward way to manage this. You can easily adjust your privacy settings to hide your liked videos from others, giving you complete control over who sees this part of your activity. It's a simple change that takes just a few moments. To adjust this setting, first, tap the Me icon to go to your profile. Then, look for the three lines or dots icon in the top right corner and tap it to open Settings and Privacy. From there, select Privacy and you'll find an option called Liked Videos. Simply choose Only Me to ensure that your collection of liked videos is completely private and visible only to you. It's a quick process. Once you've set your liked videos to Only Me, visitors to your profile will no longer see the Liked Videos tab. This means your entire collection of liked content is hidden from public view. It's important to note, however, that your individual likes on specific videos will still be visible to the original video creators. This setting specifically controls the public display of your aggregated liked video list, not individual interactions. Adjusting your liked video privacy offers several benefits. It allows you to protect your personal preferences and interests, ensuring that your online activity remains just that, yours. It also helps you maintain a more curated public profile, preventing unwanted attention or scrutiny based on your liked content. Ultimately, it gives you greater control over your digital footprint and how you present yourself on the platform, enhancing your overall privacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.